Hi guys, welcome to AfterEffects CC 2020. This is the latest version we are going to work with. If you're using a previous version, it will also work, don't worry about it. So please launch AfterEffects CC, and if you have the home panel open, please close it, we don't need it for now. Now, to be on the same screen, you and I would like you to set the workspace to default. So come to Window and go to Workspaces just over here, and you have default over here. Make sure it is checked. Then come back to Window and then go back to Workspaces, and please reset to saved layout. Hopefully you didn't save over the default workspace and create a new one. Let's set some preferences first. If you are on Windows, you will go to Edit and you go to Preferences, and from Preferences please go to General. If you are on the Mac, you will go to AfterEffects CC and you have preferences in the second option, and please click on General. Here you are. In preferences, for the next project we want to do, we need the default spatial interpolation to linear to be unchecked. Okay, that's very important. And make sure that center anchor point in new shape layers is checked. Then guys, from General, I would like you to switch to Display. In Display here, we want to set the motion path to all keyframes. And that's very important. This will show you all the motion path with all its keyframes. We are going to use a lot of keyframes in the next lectures. And then you click OK.